Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send Zoho Cliq channel message for new Google Ads leads. So let's suppose I am running a digital marketing agency and collecting all the leads with the help of Google Ads. Now I want whenever someone submits the form, a channel message is automatically sent in Zoho Cliq. So I can do this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. Here I just need to build connection between Google Ads and Zoho Cliq. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take Google Ads from where I will receive the new lead, and in my action application, I will take Zoho Cliq where the channel message will be sent automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send Zoho Cliq channel message for new Google Ads leads. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Ads and Zoho Cliq with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and now I need to enter my workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So over here, let's enter my workflow name, which is how to send Zoho Cliq channel message for new Google Ads leads. Now I need to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created, and I want to select all automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send Zoho Cliq channel message for every new Google Ads leads, which means whenever I will receive a new Google Ads leads, a channel message should be sent in Zoho Cliq, which means whenever I will receive a new Google Ads leads, this complete workflow will get triggered. So here in my trigger application, I will choose my trigger application as Google Ads. And then in my trigger event, I will select new lead form entry. Now I need to make connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect, for which a webhook URL is given to me, and this URL will act as a bridge to connect Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk given below over here, I will make this connection, and to make this connection, I have to take you to my Google Ads. So I have already logged in and opened my Google Ads account in other browser. So let me open that. So this is my Google Ads account, and I am not running any live campaign. So this is the lead form that I have created to generate test leads, and I have selected some fields over here that has first name, last name, phone number, email and city. You can choose your fields according to your requirement from over here, and if you scroll down, you will be able to find all these options. You can enter all these details according to your advertisement. Then if we scroll down, we will be able to find an option of lead delivery option, and over here if I open this option, I will be able to find this webhook URL, and I have to enter the key. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly workflow, and this will help us to build the connection. So to enter this, let me take you to Pabbly Connect, and from over here I will copy this webhook URL and simply paste it over here. Now I need to enter the key, so I'll simply write testing over here. And over here, send test data has appeared as soon as I've added the webhook URL. So as soon as I click on this send test data will be sent in my Pabbly Connect, which will show us if our webhook URL connection is successful or not. So for that, I will simply click on the send test data. And test data has been sent. So now I need to go to Pabbly Connect and check whether I have received the test data response from Google Ads in my Pabbly Connect there or not. So over here I can see I have instantly received the response. I have received all these details. The first name is first name, last name is last name. I have received a dummy phone number. I have received a dummy email address, then the city. This means our connection is successful and Pabbly Connect is connected with Google Ads. And now I need to move to my next step, which is action step. So as soon as I receive leads from Google Ads, I want to send channel message in Zoho Cliq. So here my action application will be Zoho Cliq. And then my action event will be send message to channel. Now I have to click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save, but if you don't have one, click on add new connection, connect with Zoho Cliq, and over here I need to enter my domain, and to enter this, let me take you to my Zoho Cliq account. So this is my Zoho Cliq account and this is the channel that I have created by the name Google Leads. Now I need my domain. So over here on the top, I can see this https://click.zoho.in. So this zoho.in is my domain. So I'll go back and simply enter zoho.in over here and then click on save. Now I have already logged into my Zoho Cliq account and that's why I just need to give away some permissions, for which I need to click on this accept because my data is safe with Pabbly Connect and authorization successful. So Zoho Cliq is connected with Pabbly Connect and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is channel, and to enter this, let me take you to my Zoho Cliq account. So these are the channels that have been created and I want to send message in this channel by the name Google Leads. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and from over here simply select my channel as Google Leads. And now I need to draft the message in a format I want to send all the details in my channel. So I will write, hello team, we have received new lead. Here are the details: first name, last name, phone, email, city. Please follow up with this lead as soon as possible. Let me know if you need any other detail. Thanks, regards. Now I need to enter all these details, and to enter this I'm going to use a process called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response from my Google Ads. So over here I will simply click on this Google Ads and map my first name as this and my last name as last name and my phone number as this one and my email address as this one and the city as Mountain View. So over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change on every new response. Over here, if I manually enter the data, this field will become static and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, I use this process mapping. Now I do not need to enter the bot name, bot image because these are not required field. And over here I need to enter this, which is sync message, and it's written select true to post a message in synchronous thread or else select false. So I just want to select this as false, and now I simply have to click on this save and send test request. And over here I have received the response. Now I need to open my Zoho Cliq and check whether I have received this response there or not. And here we can see we have instantly captured the response and received the message in our channel that we have selected. The message reads as, hello team, we have received new lead. Here are the details: first name, last name is last name, phone number that we have mapped, email address is same, and the city is Mountain View. Please follow up with this lead as soon as possible. Let me know if you need any other detail. Thanks, regards. So to summarize, we took Google Ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We sent the test data and received the response in my Pabbly Connect, after which we took our action application as Zoho Cliq, where we wanted to send message in our channel that we have selected. So we have selected the channel in which we want to send the message, drafted the message and entered all these details with the help of mapping, simply clicked on save and send test request and received the response as channel message in my Zoho Cliq. So we have successfully created automation between Google Ads and Zoho Cliq with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.